The Fixture Automation system implements streamlined library management capabilities through simplified dialogues, significantly reducing setup complexity while maintaining precise control over fixture configurations. Thus, users can now focus more on programming and less on repetitive setup tasks. Users have the option to add fixtures to the NXCAM fixture library. With the fixture open in NXCAM, search for the Machine Tool Builder application. Click on the Device Wizard icon on the home ribbon. Here, choose whether the fixture is intended for milling or turning operations. Next, front, back, and bottom faces of the fixture need to be defined, in addition to the central plane. As this vise allows for the part to be mounted in different positions, another step can be added, for which front, back, and bottom faces need to be defined as well. Lastly, fixture dimensions need to be input. Now, after defining a library reference name, the fixture can be added to the library. The same process also applies for chucks. This time, in the Device Wizard of the Machine Tool Builder application, turning needs to be selected. For step definition, select jaw and bottom faces. Instead of a center plane, now a vector and point need to be defined for the center axis. Again, input the fixture dimension, set a name, and add it to the library. Now, these imported fixtures can be used in NX. To insert a fixture, go to the Operation Navigator Machine Tool view, right-click on the generic machine, and select Edit. Here users can find the Retrieve Fixtures from Library option. For this part, we will open the Vise library. Here we can find various out-of-the-box fixtures, together with the previously imported vise. After selecting the vise, users can define which step the part should be mounted to. Set a bottom or side offset and change the direction, rotation, tilting, and revolving of the fixture. Once again, the same process also applies for turning parts, though, in this instance, we will retrieve a fixture from the chuck library. Once more, the imported chuck is available alongside many other out-of-the-box fixtures. For chucks, modifications to the positioning can also be made. It should be noted that currently, two limitations apply to blank settings in workpiece geometry when using fixtures. For vices, only bounding block, and for chucks, only bounding cylinder can be used as blanks. Overall, next to the improved user workflow, the Fixture Automation system introduces sophisticated positioning algorithms that transform setup preparation workflows. With this technology, automatic fixture placement and alignment are enabled while users have access to intuitive controls for real-time part repositioning.